Hey everybody, we're here with the slime factory. We're going to be making some slime today. We are going to also be opening some of the slime that we got.
This is going to be vinegar?
No vinegar this time.
This is vinegar?
Nope, that's called guar gunpowder.
Is this vinegar?
Not gunpowder. Gum.
This is vinegar?
Nope, none of this is vinegar. This is
This
all
vinegar?
None of it.
This vinegar?
None of it.
This vinegar?
None, not
This
even one of
vinegar?
them. Nope.
This vinegar?
Not even close.
This is vinegar?
Negative. No vinegar will be used in this video today.
Is this vinegar?
Wrong.
Is that vinegar?
No.
Is this vinegar? Is the black stuff is vinegar?
I'm going to go with no.
Is this vinegar?
No. Okay, let's start making some slime.
I'm going to swap that in place. You know what this? You know what is this? Swap. Ouch. I just saw it.
Okay, here we go. Here is the water. Oops, and it's going to go up to the fill line. Let me turn it so I can see the fill line.
I'm going to open this, the orange slime.
Here's the fill line. You can go ahead and open it, pal. Okay, we're at the fill line. I have to take a packet of guar gum powder. It's like this yellowy looking powder. Come on. Slime.
It's not being a real slime.
I know, right now it just looks like water, but I think we gotta keep stirring. Okay, now we have to fill up this tube up to the fill line as well. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Alright, there's that. Now we gotta dump in the STB in here. Oh, wow. Okay. What color do you want to do? You want to do glow in the dark?
I'm doing glow in the dark.
Alright, so to make it glow, you need to use the zinc sulfide.
Whoa.
Okay, yeah, whoa. It's I guess it's a chemical that makes things glow in the dark. So let's try it out. You know what you gotta do to make things glow, Sully? You gotta put them against a bright light.
What? If I did.
Good old flarp. That's some good old flarp right there. Alright.
Mix and mix and mix some more. Mix and mix and mix some more. Mix and mix and mix some more.
Alright, Bubba. I think we got some slime right here. Let's check it out. Ready? You want to tip it in? Alright, go ahead. Tip it in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. Killer Croc.
That feel it.
It looks like boogies. You know that?
You.
So, Killer Croc, what are you doing here?
Oh, you know how I like being in slimy sewers.
Ew, what is that? Oh, it's on my eye.
Put Slimer in there. Ready? Go ahead.
Slime. Look, you got some on his head. Yeah, slime. No, Daddy, now it's my turn. Now it's my turn, Daddy.
Okay. Ugh, super snotty. Pretty gross, bro. Pretty gross.
Well, I like playing that. I'm going to play this.
You're going to play with that? I'll make another one for you, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
And you know what, guys? The first one we did, it was really runny, like watery, and it wasn't very thick like slime. So what we kind of figured out is you got to really, this gunpowder, look at that. This gunpowder on step 2, you really got to stir really good. And stir as you put it in. Because if not, it gets really clumpy. And it doesn't get to the consistency you want.
Okay.
It never turns into slime. It's just really runny and watery, and that's no fun. The thick, gross,
We're gonna messy. We're gonna make it
snot
messy.
slime is the fun
We're gonna
stuff.
make it messy.
Yeah, you are. Do this. Okay. Alright, now we're going to dump this. You want to dump it in?
Huh?
Alright, you dump that inside the tube, okay? Wait, I'll stir while you dump. Okay, go ahead. Make sure you get it all in. You did it. Good
I
job.
got the some on the table.
You did? That's okay. Alright.
It
Alright.
turned green.
You did?
Huh?
Oh my god, this one's a lot thicker. Okay, so let's do... You want to do red?
Red.
Okay. Oh snap. Okay, let me get a little more color in there.
Let's do it now. It's gonna be red.
It's like stringy red. See it?
Huh? You're gonna poke it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do it now.
Alright, ready? Go ahead. Let's get them. Let's turn the arm. Okay, there you go. Just having a nice day in the bath. Oh, look at that one. Holy cow. That's a thick, thick slime.
Can I have it?
Yeah, go ahead. You can play with it. Check it out. Tell me what it's like. Oh, man. That one turned out pretty cool. Oh, that's like a big, thick blob. Wow.
Now let's put it on Siimer.
Ugh, okay. You put on Slimer. There you go. What do you think about that, Slimer? Oh, he's in heaven. He loves slime. Let's check out the spider ooze. See how that looks. I'm calling it the spider ooze because there's a spider in it. There is a spider involved.
Look it.
Oh,
I
gosh.
do like this.
Slimer don't like slime?
Huh?
What? And the spider ooze, I'm sorry, but it is disgusting. This is not even... So, the spider ooze we bought, I guess, is very old, and it's hardened up. So, that's not going to be too much fun. So, I cannot get behind the spider ooze. I'm sorry. Cannot recommend it to you guys. Let's try the flark out.
It's really hard.
Flark. Now, flark is a very cool slime.
Come on.
See, the blue slime's too hard. And this is too runny. So, that one's kind of disgusting there. Let's mix it up.
Let's put on the slime spider.
There you go.
There it goes. There you go, spider. Have a good day, spider.
Ooh, look at this. Looks like hair.
Look at spider.
Mm-hmm.
Can I put the orange Simons on the spider?
Sure.
Look at everybody. Look at him.
Look at him. And I think we have enough to do like another half a cup. Yeah, we can do a half.
Look at ouch.
Ouch,
Look at
ouch.
everybody.
Look at everybody. Look. So, if you were wondering what happens when you mix all the slimes together, that's it right there. Ready? All right, here's the magnet slime.
Can I cut the bit?
Yes. So this is the magnet slime. It's a thick one too. Ready? Oh. Supposedly.
Can I have it, Dad?
Yeah, supposedly magnets will stick to this.
Hey, I'm Mr. Slime. Hey, I'm Mr. Slime. I don't know. I'm the one. Has the bit going.
The magnet one's supposed to work, but it doesn't. See?
Sticks.
So the magnet one really doesn't work, but whatever. I mean, it's basically magnetic powder. You know, maybe we should. I mean, we followed the instructions step by step. Didn't work. You know, it's fun.
Now what's this?
You could probably really get good at it after a while. Make some really cool slime. It's the first time we ever did it.
Look at Slime. He has hair.
Nice hair, Slimer. Ew, it's getting in his mouth. Ready? Let's feed him some. Let's feed him some. Oh, you hungry, Slimer? What does Slimer eat? What do you think?
Poop.
How about slime? Oh, man. Alright, guys, we gotta go.
Thanks for watching.
Yep, thanks for watching. See ya.
Yeah. Subscribe for more fun videos, kids. I'm the swine guy.